everybody. I'm going to show you Utah. Utah is in the north and west of USA. The state has in Utah there are 3 million inhabitants. France is almost 2 times as big as Utah. The capital is Salt Lake City in the north of Utah. It's a city very friendly and accessible. You can visit, for example, Temple Square or Dinosaur Museum. Utah is known as a desert state. There are 5 national parks, and the most famous is Canyonlands, because in the south, in Arizona, there is the Grand Canyon. Here it's Rainbow Bridge, is the largest natural bridge of the world. In the north, there's a Great Salt Lake. It's the largest lake of USA and the 4th in the world. It is Lake Powell. It's a man-made lake on the Colorado. Utah is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts because landscapes are unforgettable and there are a lot of sporty activities. Thank you for listening.